Hey guys, it's Tina. Welcome back to my channel to a new video. In today's video, I'll be doing a little get ready with me or like prepare with me for online school setup, and yeah, let's get started. As you guys can see, I'm setting up my binder with adding my dividers, and I'm using a 3-inch binder for this year to store all my stuff. I also made like a cute little cover with my name on it and other stuff, and yeah. And now let's go on to unwrapping these papers. I'm deeply struggling trying to open the package out, but yeah, eventually I'll get it, and I just did. Yay! So I have graph paper and regular ruled colored ruled notebook paper, loose leaf paper, and yeah. Next, I am organizing my little pen stationery space. I am trying to like reorganize my little self-care personal items, and yeah, it's just my desk lamp. There's nothing really messy about it, but it's just better to clean up a tiny bit than rather not. Okay guys, now we have like a little time lapse of me organizing my 3 plastic drawers. The first drawer is like an art drawer. It's really messy. It always gets messy, and I'm sure by the time I'm editing, which I am actually no, the time I am editing my video right now, it's already messy. And yeah, my middle drawer is my makeup drawer. All the brushes gets out really easily, messy, annoys me a lot. And my last drawer is full of plushies, cords, charger for my laptop, Chromebook, belts, and this embroidery box. And yeah, kind of dangerous for all those items to be in a place together, but that's okay. The next morning, I am now cleaning my Chromebook. I haven't cleaned the screen or the keyboard thingy in over a few months, and it's so dirty. And yeah, I used this digital laptop thingy cleaner thing. I'm not sure what it's called because I'm really dumb like I always am, but I clean that part of the screen, and then I spray some of the thing in the little cleaner thingy that I have, and I just clean my keyboard. I don't think it really affects the keyboard much or cleans it that much, but anything helps to make sure it's clean. Now on to actually setting up my Chromebook. So first, I opened my Chromebook, logged in, I logged into my student view account to look at my schedule, and I am so happy about the classes that I got. Next, I went to this app called Metamoji. I am digitally writing my schedule out, the name of the class, and the teacher teaching the class, and yeah. This is really hard for me to write down because I'm using a really cheap stylus, but if you guys have like an Apple Pencil, you guys are so great and good. I forgot to film this part, but I screenshotted the notes and I put it as my lock screen. Now I'm going into the clock app and I'm making an alarm for me at 7:30 to wake up because classes for me start at 8:30 sharp, and I have to be on Zoom by that time. Almost here, guys. So now we are setting up my little box that I keep all my index card, flashcards, whatever you guys call them, and yeah. So my little box has these type of dividers. So I'm writing like the type of flashcards I'm using, such as blank, these wide rule ones, and these college ruled looking one, and I put them back in the box. Next, I'm cutting open the little package of the index card that I recently just bought. So I'm just opening them and taking a few out, not so much in like the whole stack, but yeah, repeating that on the blank one too. Now I'm starting to organize everything and put all the flashcard back in the box in their same order or the tabs that I put them in. So I'm starting a new science class this year, and I'm taking STEM chemistry, but I'm still using the same notebook from physics that I had last year. So this time I'm just making like a little STEM chem tab on the notebooks, where like that's the STEM chem class I'm doing this year, or that's where the note taking part is gonna be. Kind of confusing to explain, but yeah, it's just me making a tiny tab. this is it for you guys today's video. Make sure to like and comment down below any ideas you guys have in future videos, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.